And I really like the discussions we have, which is quite open, with the specialists and everyone else in the public, so it's really fun.
We've had a full house, there's been no seats left, I've had to actually stand at the back. So we want a great turnout as well. We've had a lot of young people coming as well as old Londoners.
Oh, it's very interesting. It's great to see old friends and colleagues and teachers and the institution itself as well, and excellent lectures this morning.
The highlight is to see some old friends of mine, of course, and to see some old teachers and see that they're still doing well.
Oh, that has to be seeing my old classmate and flatmate, Lochna Nanyakara, standing at the front as the president. That would be my highlight of the day.
The sessions have gone really well, gone to time, had good feedback. I'm really excited that all the undergraduates and the foundation dentists are here as well, so they get to flavour what the alumni is going to be there, how it's going to be there for them as well when they've graduated.
Nostalgic to being back. You did spend so much time, hard times, studying and everything, and it just feels coming home.
It's lovely to come back to your alma mater and have a look around at what's changed. It's an excellent meeting, it's very well run, the food is fantastic, the company is great, so it's an all-round wonderful way to spend a Friday and a Saturday, so I encourage you to come.
So already we've got a line of speakers who are ranging from mindset, talking about business and talking about dentistry and talking about your superconsciousness. We've got a whole range of different clinical lectures as well as non-clinical things to do with stress within dentistry, so it's a really big range.
Actually great. The alumni team have made it great, just to be clear, because they've done the behind the scenes hard work, so I've really been well supported by the committee and the team, so it's been great.